Welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDELT, a project of Propel. In today's video, we will be reviewing Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is a digital notebook that is stored in the cloud and syncs across your devices. It is designed to capture, store, and organize your notes and make them easy to find and access. You can think of OneNote notebooks as actual notebooks or even as binders. The way OneNote is organized, each notebook has the ability to create sections, and each section can contain pages that hold a variety of information. I like to think of it as a notebook being the binder, each section being a divider, and each page being a page of notes. To create a new notebook, open your OneDrive and click on Create or Upload. Here, you'll select OneNote Notebook. This will pop up to enter the name of your notebook. I'm going to call this one Tech Tuesdays. When the notebook generates, it will open with one untitled section and one untitled page. You can add more sections or pages using the top buttons right up here. To rename sections or pages, simply right-click and then select Rename. I'm going to call this one Microsoft, since we've been working on our Microsoft Tech Tuesday series. If I wanted to color this tab, just like I had a colorful divider in my binder, I could right-click, change section color, and then choose a color I like better. For the pages, the title will default to this top line. So whatever you type here is what the title will be. I typically go in and type the date when I'm doing notes. That way it organizes by date. But since this is more of a topic, I might put in here OneNote, since my OneNote video is part of our Microsoft Tech Tuesday series. OneNote makes it very easy to add text to each page. The easiest way is simply to hover over the page and click. You'll see your cursor pop up where you can type, and then just start typing. As you go, you can use your typical features to navigate. Enter gives you a new line. You can tab over if you need to move text. If you want to add any of the regular Microsoft features, you'll see the text features up here at the top. You can add a bulleted list. You can make it numbers. You can change the indent or the alignment of your text within this text box. As you type, OneNote creates a text box for every time you enter. So as you're making your notes, if you need to reorganize, you can always hover over the text boxes and just drag and drop to reorganize your thoughts and ideas. This is one of the things that makes OneNote a more powerful tool than something like Word to take notes, is that you can drag around different notes. You can reorganize your thoughts very easily. And like I mentioned, you can use the regular Microsoft text features to edit your text. For example, if I need to highlight or bold something really important, I can use those features to add that element to my page so that I'm not just looking at a blank white wall of text. As you get more comfortable using OneNote, you can explore some of the other features. One feature I use all the time is the automatic to-do list. And so here you can use tags, to do, and it will create a checkbox for you to make your to-do list. So if I type a short list, it will give me those checkboxes, and these can be clicked to check things off as you go. The great thing about this feature is that it also has a keyboard shortcut. If you click Control-1, it will start you a new to-do list. Another feature I like is the tables feature. So if you go to the Insert tab up here, you can insert a table, choose how big of a table you want, and it will insert here. You can go in and adjust these columns as needed so that you can organize your information if you're doing anything that needs to be lined out in a table. The last feature I want to highlight is the Draw feature. If you go to the Draw tab, you can actually pull up a pencil or a highlighter, and you can freehand on your OneNote. So if you're using a tablet or a touch screen, this is another great option for actually handwriting or drawing your notes as you're working with your notebook.